Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are ready with your maths book for today's class. Okay, so let us start our class. In today's class, we are going to do exercise 10B. Kindly open page number 101. In previous class, we have completed exercise 10A and it was totally book work, and I hope you all have completed your book work with nice colorful pencil. As we have done the fractions, see, I have done with colorful pencils. I hope you have also done with the same. Okay, now let us start our exercise 10B. Okay, let us have a revision of fraction. As I told students, we have studied fraction. In fraction, suppose let us take any number. This, I hope you have already read the pages which I told you to read. Fraction. Fraction, when a thing is divided into equal part, each part is called a fraction. Suppose this is 1/6. This is your fraction and this top number is called your numerator. Okay. And this your bottom number is called denominator. Okay. Denominator. And this is your fraction. Okay. Now the top number shows the number of parts chosen and the bottom number shows the total number of equal parts, means in how many parts it is divided. Okay. So let us now start our exercise 10B. Color to show the fraction. Now their first one is 1/5. Okay. So this is your numerator and this is your denominator. Now this bottom number shows that there are total how many circles? 5 circles are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your bottom, that means denominator is 5. So 5 circles are there. Now numerator, that is top number is 1. That means one part is chosen or one part is shaded. So let's shade one part. Okay. So this is your fraction. Now next is 3/7. Okay, now how many? 7 means total how many this is there a shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 shape is there, and out of this 7, 3. The top number is 3. That means numerator. So 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3. Same here 2/6. Now 2/6. Total how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 triangles are there. This denominator shows the number of divided part. Okay, that means 6 triangles are there. And top number, numerator, shows the number of parts chosen or shaded. That means 2. That means your 2 triangles are shaded in this way. Okay. 4/10. Total how many rectangles are there? 10 rectangles are there. And out of that 10 rectangles, 4 are shaded. So 4 are shaded. So in this way you have to show the fraction. Okay. Now color the fraction, count and write. Okay. Now here it's given 1/2 of 6. Now students, 1/2 of 6. Now here 1/2 of means here multiplication and 6. Now here you have to see 6 in 2's table. That is 2 3s are 6. So 1 into 3 equal to 3. That means how many parts should be shaded? 3 parts are shaded. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this 6, 3 parts are shaded. Okay. Now here next is 2/3 of 6. Now how many total petals are in this flower? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. So 2/3 of 6. 2/3 of 6. Now 3 2s are 6. Of means multiplication. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 4 parts should be shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. Okay. Now same here 3/4 of 8. Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts are there. Okay. So 3/4 of 8. Now here of means multiplication sign. So into 8. Now 8 in 4's table. 4 2s are 8. Now 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 6 parts should be shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here total how many trees are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 trees are there. Okay. So 12 trees are there. That means here it's given 3 by 4 of 12. So 3 by 4 of 12. Now 3 by 4 of means multiplication and 12. Now 12 in 4's table, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 3, 3 you multiply 3, that is 9. That means out of these 12 trees, 9 trees to be shaded or to be colored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now here it's given how many flowers are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 15 flowers are there. So 4 by 5 of 15. Okay. Now 4 by 5 of, put multiplication sign and 15. Now 15 in 5's table, 5 3s are 15. So 4, put this multiplication sign and 3, and that is 12. So out of this 15 flowers, 12 flowers to be shaded here. Okay. So in this way you have to color the fraction and you have to find out the correct fraction. Okay. Now here comes tick if the fractions are shaded correctly. Okay. Now 1 by 3. Let's do this one. It's 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3, that means this bottom number, that is your denominator, shows the number of divided parts or number of equal parts. Okay. So how much? That is 3. You can see here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. 3 are there. And how 1 shows the number of parts chosen or number of parts shaded. So 1 is shaded. Okay. So that means this fraction is correct. Okay. Now same here, count how many total balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there. Okay. So 2 by 3 of 9. Total how many balls are there? 9 balls are there. So 2 by 3 into 9. Now 9 in 3's table, 3 3s are 9. Now 2 multiply 3, that is 6. That means out of this 9 balls, 6 balls to be shaded. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that means this fraction is also correct. Okay. Now here comes 3 by 4. Let's see. 3 by 4. Now let us count total how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 squares are there. Okay. So 3 by 4 of means multiplication. Now 8 here. So 3 by 4 into 8. So 4 2s are 8. Now 3 into 2 equal to 6. So that means out of this 8 squares, 6 squares to be shaded. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that means this fraction is also shaded correctly. Okay, now let us see this 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now let us first count total how many squares are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 squares are there. Okay. How many? Total 12 squares are there. That means now 3 by 4 of means multiply 12. Now 12 in 3's table, that is 4 3s are 12. Now 3 into 3 equal to 9. That means out of this 12 squares, 9 squares should be shaded. Let us see how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 squares are shaded. That means this fraction is not shaded correctly. That means it will be wrong. Now let us see 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3. Now let us see total how many birds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 birds are there. Okay, total 9 birds are there. Now let us see how many birds to be shaded. So 2 by 3 of multiply 9. Now 9 in 3's table, 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. That means 6 birds should be shaded out of these 9 birds. So let us see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 birds are shaded. That means this fraction is not shaded correctly. So it is a wrong. Okay, that means 2 by 3 is a wrong fraction. Now here comes 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now first let us count total how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 stars are there. Okay. Now 2 by 5 of multiply 20. Now 20 in 5's table. 5 4s are 20. So 2 into 4 equal to 8. That means out of this 20 stars, 8 stars to be shaded. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that means 2 by 5 is fraction is shaded correctly. Okay, so in this way students you have to do this question. Now let us move to next question, that is shade to show the two fraction and then write greater, less or equal sign. Okay. Now first one is 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now 2 by 4 will be greater because here how many parts are there? The circle is divided into 4 parts. Okay, that means you have to see the denominator here, and both denominator you have to see, and then you have to compare with the numerator. It is divided into 4 parts, and now out of this 4 part, 2 parts are shaded. Okay, that means here 2 by 4 will be greater. Now here comes next, that is how many? It is divided into 3 parts. Same here also it is divided into 3 parts. So 2 by 3, it is 2 parts are shaded, and here only 1 part is shaded, that is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now denominator are same, that means it is equally divided into 3 parts. But here 2 parts are shaded and here 1 part is shaded. So 2 by 3 will be greater. Okay. Now let us do one more. Let us divide it in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here it is shaded 2 parts. That means 2 by 7. Here it is 4 parts are shaded or 4 parts are chosen. So 4 by 7. Okay. Now 2 by 7 and 4 by 7. So out of it is divided into 7 equal parts. Now out of this 7, here 2 parts are shaded and here 4 parts are shaded. That means 4 by 7 will be greater. Okay. Now let us do one more. Let us take this one. 1, 2, 3. It is divided into 3 parts, and here it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay. Now here out of 3 part, only 1 part is shaded. Okay. 1 part is shaded. Now here out of 4 parts, here also 1 part is shaded. Okay. Now 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now here it is divided into 3 parts and 1 part is shaded. Here it is divided into 4 parts and 1 part is shaded. That means the parts which are divided more will be greater number. So 1 by 4 will be the greater number. Okay. Same for here also. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It is divided into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is divided into 5 parts. Denominator shows the number of equal parts. So here 7 and 5. Now out of this 7, 5 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 parts are shaded. And out of 5, here 4 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parts are shaded. So 5 by 7 and 4 by 5. Now 5 by 7 and 4 by 5. Now here the 7 is more as it is divided into 7 parts, and here it is divided into 5 parts. So 5 7 will be the greater number. Okay. So in this way students, you have to do this exercise. You can use your color pencil, wax pencil to show the fractions in a colorful way. Okay. So you have to complete your exercise 10B till page number 102. Okay, 101 and 102 you have to cover. That's all for today's class. Okay students, thank you.